I'm going to explain about useState hook in React. What is useState? useState is a React hook that lets you add a state variable to the functional component. To maintain the state of the component, we use useState. What is the syntax? Const variable name, then function name equaled useState initial value. Whichever value as initialized, that will be stored in the variable. To update the variable, you must call the function. Then why use useState? Makes user interface dynamic. Automatically re-renders UI when state changes. If to update the state, it will be rendered automatically on the web page. Let me add useState example. Const count is a variable name. Set count is a method name or function name equal useState. useState is a hook. Then I will keep the 0 as initial value. Then most imported useState hook from the React. Then the count is a variable name. The set count is a method function name. Then there are three buttons have been created. Here instead of 0, I keep as count. Count is the variable name. There are three buttons have been created: increment, decrement, and reset. Then on click event to be added. On click. Then function name is increment. We'll add to the decrement button also. On click. The function name is decrement. Then I will add to the reset also. On click. Reset. And then implement these three buttons. Constant, the function name, increment, increment equaled. I will use the arrow functions. The set count, count plus 1. As well add the decrement function. Set count, count minus 1. I will also add the reset function. Then it has a reset to 0. Then what I did inside the functions, set count, count plus 1. The count value has been updated. It will get incremented by 1. If I click on decrement button, it will call decrement function. Set count, count minus 1, it will be decremented by 1. Then reset, if you click on reset, the count value becomes 0. Then if I click on increment, it will get incremented by 1. If I click on 1. Then if I click on decrement, the value is decremented by 1. If I click on reset, it will reset to the 0. Here, how useState is useful in this component. Because don't write count equal to count plus 1. If you update the variable in your component, you must call the function to update. Then let me write another set count plus 1, again set count, count plus 1. The three times I written the statement set count, set count, set count. Then if I click on it, only it will get increment the state. The next state doesn't depend. If I click on increment, it will get incremented by 1. But how the state is depends on the previous state, then you can write this syntax: previous state count, count plus 1. Now the next state will be depends on the previous state. Now the count value becomes 3. It is reset to 0. If I click on the increment, then what is the value would be 3. Let me add another state: constant name, set name, useState. The initial value is guest. Then I will display over here. I will take another paragraph. The name, the name will be displayed. Here what is automatically it will be displayed on the web page. Let me add another button. Button is create name change. Name change is the button name. Let me add on click event. Handle name is the function name. Let me write the function for handle name, const function name. This is called arrow functions. I'm using the arrow function in such example. Otherwise, you can use function name also. The set name. Let me. If I click, this is the button. Name change is the button. Initial value is guessed. If I click on the button, it will be replaced by Madar. Yeah, name is Madar. Then that will be rendered on the web page. If you want to use object arrays, also possible by using the useState. Let me add the CSS to these buttons and this counter value. This is that value. Font size. Font size should be for. Then color should be red. Then button width 150 pixels. Padding 10 pixels. The font size should be 20 pixels. The margin should be 10 pixels. Then background color light blue. Border none. Border radius should be 10 pixels. Then font weight bold. Cursor pointer. I added few CSS properties. Click on increment, it will get incremented by 1. If you want to click on decrement, it will get decremented by 1. If I click on reset, it has reset to 0.